Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will create this object in which you are going to learn how to use extrude and fillet command. First, I will create this base. Before that, we need to calculate this length, which is equal to 30 plus 60 plus 60 plus 30. For this, I will use the calculator. So, enter 30 plus 60 plus 60 plus 30, which is equal to 180 mm. So the length is 180 mm and the width is given as 60 mm and thickness is 12 mm. Go to create sketch and select this plane. Go to line tool and create a horizontal line and give the dimension as 180 mm. Again go to line tool and create a vertical line followed by a horizontal line and close the profile. Go to dimension tool and give the height as 12 mm. Go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and enter distance as 60 mm. Click OK. Now I will create this half cylinder whose radius is 36 mm. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Select the edge, go to create and choose project tool. Click OK. Now go to circle tool and create a circle at the midpoint. Now give the diameter as 72 mm. Go to trim tool and trim the circle. Now go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and enter distance as minus 60 mm. Now we need to make this cut whose radius is 24 mm. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Select this edge, go to create, choose a project tool, click OK. Now go to circle tool and create a circle at the midpoint and give the diameter as 48 mm. Now go to trim tool and trim the circle. Go to solid, choose extrude command and select the profile and drag the arrow like this. Click OK. Now we need to make this area round whose radius will be 30 mm. Now go to fillet tool, select this face and enter radius is 30 mm. Click the plus button. Select this face also and enter radius as 30 mm. Click OK. Now I will create these holes whose diameter is given as 24 mm and the center to center distance is given as 60 plus 60, which is equal to 120 mm. Select the surface and make a sketch on it. Go to circle tool and create a circle here with diameter 24 mm. Again go to circle tool and create a circle here. Give the diameter as 24 mm and center to center distance as 120 mm. Give this distance as 30 mm Now go to solid, choose extrude command and select the profiles. Drag the arrow to downwards. Click OK. Now I will create the cylinder which is at a height of 88 mm with length 34 mm and inner dia as 24 mm and outer radius 20 mm. Rotate the model like this. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Go to line tool and create a vertical line. Click OK. Make it as a construction line and give the dimension as 88 mm. Now go to circle tool and make a circle here with diameter 24 mm. Again go to circle tool and make a circle here with diameter 40 mm. Now go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and drag the arrow like this and enter the length as minus 34 mm. Now I will create this profile which is a thickness of 12 mm. Rotate the model like this. Select the surface and make a sketch on it. Now select the circle and go to create, choose project tool and click OK. Go to line tool and create a slant line like this. Again create another line like this. Click OK. Select this edge and go to create, choose project tool, click OK. Rotate the model, click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and enter the thickness as minus 12 mm. Click OK. Now I will create this rib which has a thickness of 12 mm. First select the YZ plane and go to construction, choose offset plane and enter distance of 90 mm. Click OK. Select plane 1 and make a sketch on it. Now go to create, choose project tool and select these surfaces. Click OK. Now go to line tool and create a profile like this. Now rotate the model, click OK, go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and give the direction as symmetry and distance as 6 mm. Click OK. Now we see some gap here which can be removed by extrude command. Select the surface and go to extrude command and choose action type as to object. Select the surface, click OK. Similarly here also the gap can be removed by extrude command. Select this surface, go to extrude command and choose extend type as to object. Select the surface, click OK. Here also go to extrude command, select the surface and choose action type as to object and select the surface, click OK. Now the object is ready. We will give some color to the object. For this, select the surface, right click it and choose appearance. Now drag the material to the object. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please do subscribe my channel if you like the video.